Ah, massive news emerged in Spain earlier on today, 10/28/2025. FC Barcelona have been formally charged as a separate legal entity for their involvement with Negreira. If you're out there, you don't know who Negreira is. Well, I'm going to bring you up to speed, okay? This guy was the former vice president of the technical committee of referees in Spain. Yes, you heard me right. That is not a small position by any stretch of your imagination, okay? Such position comes with enormous influence. We cannot deny that. It is only reasonable, in fact, for you to make that assumption. So, that position comes with big-time influence on the committee as well as individual referees, all right? So, that is who Negreira is. So, this guy was paid by FC Barcelona an amount that is really huge, okay? It is between the amount of 7.2 to about 8 million euros. Yes, you heard me right. Now, you asked the question, why Barcelona paid that amount of money, right? Now, this guy left office in May of 2018. Barcelona stopped payment in June of 2018. Yes. We don't know what has been happening, okay? But here is how Barcelona was making those payments. Negreira has two companies. All right. One is the Daznil 95 SL. I mean, even the name of the company just sounds like some NASCAR. Daznil 95 SL. Okay. Well, anyway, and the second one was, or is I should say, the Nilsad SCP. Again, like I said, this sound like some racing cars, right? But anyways, the court is, suspecting these companies to be shell companies. Not me at all. I didn't say that. But that is a suspicion. And that is why this is a problem. And let me just bring you up to speed of what a shell company is, all right? Now, they are legally registered, okay? I mean, in terms of structure, they're companies, all right? To do business. But they don't really engage in activities of economic productivity. That is not how it is set up, right? Like, they don't have assets. I mean, maybe they don't have staff. Like, they don't really have activities going on. The only reason perhaps you can set up those things is to move money around. So like they are front companies, all right? They receive the money and, whatever has been done behind back doors and just move the money to somewhere else. I'm not saying that is what happened here, all right? But that is what the court is, suspecting. So having said that, this is the situation at Barcelona. And this is not a small deal, to be very sincere, all right? And more so when you consider the fact that this was Barcelona's most successful era, winning 9 La Liga trophies in this period. Yes, 9. I mean, I'm not going to take anything away from Lionel Messi. But boy, oh boy, we suffered in the hands of Barcelona back then. I mean, I'm not saying we would have won all these games, but go ahead. Pull up the highlights and take a look. Not just the Real Madrid games, all right? I mean, a lot of other games in La Liga. I'm not saying these refs, they were paid. That is not what I'm saying. But there were a lot of mistakes that you would not imagine. A ref would make those mistakes, okay? That is all I'm saying. And we never had VAR back in the day, all right? And between that 2009 and 2018, when we have Cristiano Ronaldo, there was a lot of agenda against this guy. There was a lot of agenda. In fact, not just in La Liga, but even in UEFA, all over the world. All right. One was viewed as a villain. The other one was viewed as a humble guy. You know what I mean? Like this guy here. I don't know. I'm just saying. But if those 9 La Liga titles, all right, if they're going to have the asterisks of the involvement of referees in them, What does that mean for the legacy of this guy? Yeah, I don't know. But this is why I love my guy Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7. All right, the ultimate professional. The ultimate professional. I mean, he rose above every agenda in La Liga. And when he was playing at the Champions League, including Sepp Blatter. Remember at one point in time, Sepp Blatter came out and talked about him being arrogant. He walks like a soldier, like a commander, and all that type of stuff. And the other dude, you know what he said about the other dude, this dude right here. But anyways, I'll leave that for another day. So, the president, Juan Laporta, is going back, for some further questioning, as well as the vice president, Elena Fort, and former Barcelona coaches. One is currently with PSG, Luis Enrique, and the other one at Athletic Bilbao, Ernesto Valverde. So they will be going, those three that I mentioned will be going to court on the 12th. Elena Fort will be going on the 27th of next year, 2026. We're definitely going to keep our eye on this one because this is very interesting, okay? Especially following, what, this kid Lamine Yamal was talking about. Lamine Yamal. I know you're a kid, but come on now. This thing is pretty recent, all right? The Negreira case has been very, very recent, and I expect you to know. So for you to have this, right, within the walls of Barcelona, it is echoing. It was ill-advised, and, I don't even know. For you to go out there and talk about Real Madrid cheats and complain, that was out of place. But anyways, like I said, take a step back and just avoid, whatever extra attention you're trying to seek and just focus on playing football. But yes, we will have all eyes and ears on this recent development in Spain. Barcelona have been charged for corruption. We'll follow up. Until then, stay blessed and peace out.